welcome back to another E&A slime video. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make super thick slime for super cheap. Let's get into the video. These are our ingredients.
The ingredients we are using are Tide, glue all, a spoon, and a bowl.
So I poured in my glue, and as you can tell, the consistency is a lot thicker than normal school glue because of it's glue all and it's more multi-purpose. And it says a lot of different things, but who knew? You can use it for slime. She's about to add her activator into her bowl, and she may have just added too much. Add it a little bit by bit, and then she's going to start stirring once I add my activator.
Now she's going to add her Tide into the bowl.
I added about an equal amount to what you did, and so we have like slimes that are similar.
Now she's going to mix in the bowl.
As you can see, this thickens up, and you should add activator and continue mixing until it completely stops pulling away from the sides of the bowl. So she's going to go ahead and mix hers.
It's still sticky, but it's kind of coming together.
You want it to start going away from the sides of the bowls completely, and even then it might still be too sticky for your liking.
Second round of activator. That should be good.
Mixing. Sometimes you think you need a lot less activator or a lot more than you actually need.
Second round of activator for me. That should be good. Now I'm going to stir. At this point, I'm going to add more and more Tide until I get the right consistency. Okay, now it's kind of coming up from the bowl, and I'm going to just play with it in my hands. Update on hers.
It's still not done because we decided to just finish up with hers and then go on to mine after. But you can tell that it's starting to get really activated when it's sticking to the spoon. So I'm going to go in with more activator. I know that was a lot, and I might have just over-activated it, possibly.
I don't think so.
It looks very stringy. So this is what always happens with glue-all slimes. When you over-activate them, or you just activate them a lot at a time, the outside gets super activated, and then when you scrape it out and actually play with it a lot and knead it through, it becomes a very good slime. So this one is just coming together right now. And you can see it's kind of chunky and stringy, but once I keep on kneading it and then I mix in all the glue that's just on the sides of the bowls here, then it'll be a really good slime. And if you can't fix it, even when you add glue, try putting it in warm water putting it with water in a microwave, or you can put it in a stress ball, or if it's way too activated that you can't even squish it anymore, well, you've got yourself a bouncy ball.
I pulled all the slime from the bowl onto the slime. Now it's like this. It's pretty cool. I'm just taking all the slime off my hands, and yep.
So my slime is actually really good, and it's not over-activated or hard at all. It's actually a really good slime, and some people could even say that it needs more activator, but I disagree. It's super pokeable, stretchable, and really thick too. It's one of the best slimes actually, besides the other glue-all slime that I made before. Did you like the first ASMR or the second ASMR better? Tell us in the comments. Baby.